Hey folks, radar a lot quieter across the valley today, but the clouds have stuck around. A mainly overcast day. We had a few peaks of sun, but not many. This is your radar now, and just picking up on some ground clutter. Not much else out there. Bigger picture gives us a clue what's going on. Most of the moisture today staying offshore. Upper air disturbance kind of still sitting back to the west of us, so the flow in the upper atmosphere is still out of the southwest, so that brings a lot of moisture. But today, no disturbances kind of caught up in that flow, so we stayed mainly dry across the region. In the meantime, that low out in the Gulf has moved just a little bit farther away, so even with the showers out there that are underneath, wrapping around the backside of that, they're offshore, so we're just not seeing much over land at all. So let's see what Future Track does for us. Watch the big upper air low. That's really the secret. It hangs out for another day or two. This is tomorrow. Any little ripple in that flow increases the cloud cover, increases the moisture, and gives us a little better chance for a shower. Sunday, that starts to lift out, and as it does, we may see one last surge of moisture come through on Sunday, and then by Monday, the flow begins to bend. Takes a little while. There's still moisture left over on Monday. Still could be a shower early, but then by Tuesday, the flow is pretty strongly out of the northwest in the upper atmosphere, and when that happens, we really dry out, and then I think we see sunshine for most of the rest of next week. At the same time, the flow here at the ground, the surface wind comes out of the southeast, so that brings the moisture levels up down here at the ground a little bit, makes it a little more humid, but I think with all the dry air in the upper atmosphere, the rain chance goes away. We just get warmer and more humid. Let's look at the close-up on Future Track. Clouds stick around all night tonight. Not a whole lot of rain overnight, but I think during the daytime tomorrow, spotty showers a possibility. And then again on Sunday, as that last surge of moisture comes through, a few showers again. I think by Monday, most of it's gone. Could be a leftover shower in the morning, but after that, I think we begin the drying process, a process that will then last into next week. So 20, 30, 10, your rain chances the next 3 days. Sunday's chance the best. I think just a little more widespread activity. Temperatures right now still mild, 74 in McAllen, 68 in Brownsville, 70 at the island. Future Track takes readings tonight down into the 60s. I think we'll probably get close to 60. Then tomorrow back in the 70s again. Tomorrow night we go to the 60s again, and during the day on Sunday, right back up in the 70s. Maybe a little cooler because of the extra cloud cover. Right now, Future Track keeps Monday a little cooler, but I think if we get some sunshine, we should warm things back up. So we're going 74, 74, and 79, all below the norm of 82. We're not going to get back to that anytime soon. So tonight, more clouds and some light rain showers, especially much later, 60 for a low. Then tomorrow, back up to 74, cloudy skies, a sprinkle, a shower in a few spots, northerly winds at about 5 to 15 miles an hour. Here we go, 74, 74, 79. After that, next week, look at that, 80s all the way through the week. I think we see sunshine pretty much all week long after Monday. Monday, clouds and some spotty showers, but after that, sun comes back, temperatures climb back in the 80s. We're kind of back to normal after that, at least for a little while. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Now let's go to Brandon. What's going on, Brandon?